My name is Nico Theron. I'm the founder and managing director of Unique's Tax Specialist SA and Tax Dispute Resolution Expert. In this webinar, I want to talk about these estimated assessments because they seem to be getting a little bit out of hand. It seems that they are becoming a little bit of a norm where SARS would estimate taxpayers' assessments based on bank statements and all sorts of interesting lifestyle audits that they're doing. These things are really picking up, and SARS are making allegations and certain deductions. And dealing with these things can be quite tricky. But it is important to understand when can SARS raise these things, what's the process to challenge these things, because there seems to be confusion in industry as well, as that you can't subject to any of these estimated assessments, which is quite frankly wrong. And SARS will even say to taxpayers that they can't, which is not always right. I also want to talk about, especially in the context of estimated assessments, these requests for relevant material that seems, in my view at least, to be disguised, or audit rather, that seems to be disguised as requests for relevant material. And then importantly, at least three important judgments in the tax dispute resolution space, dealing with the perils of preparing financial statements on the back of bank statements, which is, I understand, a fairly common trend amongst the accounting fraternity. We need to talk a little bit about what is permissible and impermissible new grounds for SARS and appeal, because it's coming up more and more often. And then the very important judgment in Virgin Mobile that we need to discuss. Some others, I might include them as well, but be sure to join that webinar. It's going to be very, very, very insightful and very interesting.